Been nuts on tour, rolling in the motorhome, moving town to town, never feel alone.
Drax.
Sit. It's here and it's already recording.
Okay.
So,
Hi, I'm Sue.
I'm Mark, and this is the big book. And there's a
That's
little
the
one
noisy
outside.
sister. That's the noisy sister outside.
Little girl outside making herself felt. Oh,
You
sit
don't
still.
need to go out and bark.
Not
Drax.
going out to bark. Oh, he is. He's going out to bark at the postman.
Well, he can go out and bark, but there's nobody there.
They've gone now.
Right.
Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are.
Hello and welcome.
That gets everything. Hello, good evening, and welcome. Voice is a little better today.
Yes.
Yay.
Got you some extra strong strepsils.
Strepsilobles.
Strepsils.
Yes. So, we have a question. We were looking at something else in the motorhome, getting it ready because we're going away. And air pocket, or what do you call
Air
it?
cushion.
Air cushion. Air pocket, air cushion.
I have seen things written about the air cushion in the book, but didn't really know what it was.
First of all, do you know what your air cushion is?
Yes.
Secondly, do you know what your air cushion does? And do you know where it is? And do you know what you should be doing with it? Not sitting on it, it's not that sort of a cushion. What is it, where is it, and what does it do? What it is the air gap at the top of the boiler. The water doesn't fill the boiler completely. What it does, it acts, as it says, as a cushion. Water isn't compressible, that's how hydraulics work. But the air is compressible. You can compress air, as in compressed air. So the air acts as a cushion. It compresses a little bit and then expands a little bit so that your boiler isn't under extreme pressure. It's just got that little bit of a cushion. Now what can happen over time is, as your pump works, it pressurizes it and pressurizes it and pressurizes it and pressurizes it, so that air gets really compressed. That's
to the point of none, I guess.
To the point where it can damage your boiler. So what you are supposed to do, it varies on time.
Aldi suggests every 3 weeks.
Alvi suggests every 3 weeks. I mean, we're trying to remember to do ours every month, once a month. But it's dead simple. It takes literally
15 seconds.
2 minutes start. 2 minutes start to finish. Right.
It'll probably take longer actually to empty the space in the garage to get to it.
This is going to take longer this time because we're going to explain what to do. So first of all, what have you just done?
I've just turned the heating off. You have to turn the pump off.
Turn the pump off. So turn your heating off, turn your water off.
Yes.
All right. Then, if you know where it is, locate your boiler and the little yellow dump switch.
Yeah, what you normally drain your boiler down with, isn't it?
We shall go there now. In the garage, on the passenger side, we have this little cupboard. So undo that, take that out.
There's the...
That's our Aldi boiler. And if I just borrow that off of Sue, just inside there, just down here, is the yellow tap. So you lift that so it drains the water out for literally 15 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What that does is that allows the water, that allows the air to expand and push that little bit of water out so it's not under pressure, thereby making your cushion active again. And put that on and put our door back on, and that's it. Put everything back. That's everything back and the door shut. And if I just let you look underneath, There you are, you can see that patch of water. It's a little bit more than an egg cup, a little bit less than a teacup full, and that's what came out in 15 seconds. You're not going to dump all your water out. All you're going to dump is the little bit until the air expands. So that was that one. Very short, very sweet, but worth doing. It might prevent your boiler from going bang, but it will actually make your boiler work better.
Yes. Which we can check this weekend coming.
Check it because we're away again. Like I said in one of the previous vlogs we did, because it's now winter's now coming, things are getting cooler, so the pressure in your tyres will have gone down. The pressure in the water, or the pressure in the cushion of the air in the water cushion, air cushion.
Right, would you like to waffle that again?
Yes. Same as the air pressure in your tyres goes down in the cold weather, because it's cold, the air pressure in the air cushion will have gone down a little bit. So doing that won't hurt anything, it will help.
Yes.
There you are, waffle over. See you in the next one. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Meeting friends, old and new. Ooh, sharing stories, it's what we do. Laughter filling the air, true. With the open sky so blue.